This Utkal University, Bhubaneswar. So, cultural diversity I can find out. The topic is that so many scholars have already pointed out what is the Jajmani system. Itself is a significance that the Varna ancient history. I don't want to go into the detail because most of the scholars have already highlighted on it. I want to see in the media perspective how the media can play a very significant role, whether in the positive sense, in the negative sense. We can see a lot of the social tension in the society because during the ancient times something is better. That doesn't mean that in the modern time it's going to be in the same context. I mean, due to the AI and a lot of the digital technology, we can see a lot of the platform. We can find out easily. You can get the article. Usually, you can get the PPT and everything. You can get it during the education time. I think in the university time, I don't think you can find out. You have to go to the library and collect the data, and you can write down. So that making a PhD, making a presentation became a very easy on it. So, see in the media perspective, especially in the media industry, we can see Jajmani is also part of the financial security, right? Because of in the ancient society, every class want to preserve their position. Okay, if the Rig Veda, Mandal 10, Sukta, these are the Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, these are the concept was originated because of they want to preserve the financial security. In the Satpat Brahman also you can see in the Satpat Brahman text, Brahman and Kshatriya, they also want to preserve the share in the society, the financial security in the society. So in the media perspective, we can find out the more than, you see, one latest data that the 95% hold, the dominance in media sector from the elite people of the society. So that means you have to go through the different perspective on it. If you are going to understand about the Azadi ke Amrit Mahotsav, these are the Azadi, that means the participants, those who are not performed. That previous government not recognize their contribution in our freedom struggle, right? So the government have the very noble concept to give the Shraddhanjali to those freedom fighters, those who are not getting the proper respect on it. So definitely the media also play a very significant role in our freedom struggle, right? So media, a lot of media, all the media scholars, they have already pointed out how British create atrocities on it, how the British play a very divisive role, and due to this, we are able to united and fight against the British government. So in the media, I just noted down on the very because of this. This is the basically sociological perspective.